pagiging Senate President.
Kasi Senator Lito Lapid, nandun na daw sa veterans block. According to Senator Mig. So, 5 na sila ngayon. So, kulang na lang sila ng ilan. Anyway, ma'am.
Sir, base lang po dun sa mga lumalabas na pangalan, parang both the Duterte block and 2 of the opposition block ay kasama nyo sa majority. So how will the majority work if there are 2 very different blocks na magkasama?
Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako part ng both sides. So, in the Senate, it has been proven time and again, no? Sa umpisa lang na yung political party does not really mean a lot, especially with issues of national significance. We often, more than often than not, that we cross party lines, no? Minsan nga nag-uusap kami ni ako kay Kela, hindi ako naging align sa mga liberal, sa mga yellow. Kami ni Senator Ontiveros, no? Minority siya, I'm Deputy Majority Leader. There are a lot of measures that we help each other and supported each other, no? Like for example, universal healthcare. She was former Committee on Health Chair. Ako po yung sumunod sa kanya, no? Pinagtulungan po namin na maipasa ito. Until now, nagtutulungan kami with amendments, nagtutulungan kami. Even the former minority leader, Coco Mintel, I don't see it as obstruction, yung kanyang pagtayo-tayo, no? Yung kanyang engage in debates and discussions. And I think it has that makes the Senate different, na talagang sinabi nga, the most intelligent answer, the best answer, solutions and answers are born out of debates. So kahit pinagdudusahan natin yan, pinaghandaan natin, I think nai-improve lahat. So again, more often than not, we cross party lines in the Senate, as long as I think we look at the issues, we look at the measures, no, that will really be beneficial. Nakakalimutan na natin yung kulay. Naging color, dapat naging colorblind tayo. And you just have to support if it will benefit the Filipino people.
Sir, meron po kasing, paano ba, criticism, I guess, na parang si SP Chisnal, wala nga mga caucus, na hindi siya consensus builder. But now knowing na Duterte block, opposition block are with him, would you say he is actually a consensus builder kung napagsama niya yung dalawang yun?
I think hindi lang siguro nagpapatawag si SP Chis ng caucus as a whole, no, the body as a whole, but I think he talks to them as blocks or as groups, no. For example, yung Duterte block, no, yung mga known I think kinakausap po niya yan. In the same manner, even the minority kinakausap naman niya. So you can say that, you can say that na in a way he's a consensus builder. Magkaiba nga lang yung style. No? Iba-iba yung style kasi si SP Mixon gusto niya yung tinatawag lahat, build a consensus rather than fight it out on the floor. Si SPG masabi niya, it's more transparent that we deliberate or we debate on the floor. No? Kasi sabi nga niya, useless din naman tayo mag-caucus. Sabi niya, real time nga, hindi 5 minutes late. Sabi niya, real time. As we talk, lumalabas din yung pinag-uusapan dito. So, sabi niya, I would rather bring it on the floor.
Sir, may exact figure ka na ilan na lahat yung mga senador na pumirma sa resolution?
Definitely more than 13. Baka 15 or 16.
Ganun
Ang estimate ko lang. I don't have any idea. But
And then from Marlon Ramos, how do you feel about Senator Mig Subiri's remarks about some members of the seatmates block leaving him? Sabi nga niya, he's not ready to say na buwag na ang seatmates block pero nagtatampo siya sa nangyari.
Well, siguro it's naiintindihan ko naman, understandable kasi magkaiba kami ng posisyon ngayon, no? We are Senator Joel, Senator Win, we are with Senate President Cheese now, whereas si Senator Mix is with the Veterans Block. Understandable na magkaiba kami ng posisyon ngayon, but Then again, as I mentioned, nag-usap kami. Ako personally, ewan ko kung nakausap niya iba. Sabi ko, bro, whatever happens, we will always be friends. We are brothers. Sabi ko, hindi ko makakalimutan yung naging tulungan namin na nung bumabalik ako as galing ako ng 2019, nawala ako sa Senado in 2022. He really wanted me to be back in the Senate and he helped me a lot. That's a fact. And then I will never forget that. Kaya yung samahan namin, hindi naman natin pwedeng kalimutan. And I think, I really proudly say that I stuck it out with him until the last minute. Hindi ko naman siya iniwan. So, magkaiba lang kami ng position ngayon, but yung political na to, I think yung friendship and brotherhood, yung pinagsamahan namin, hindi pwedeng pakalimutan.
Pero sir, bago kayo nag-decide ni na Senator Win and Joel na sumuporta kay SP Cheese, nag-effort ba kayo na hikayatin siyang sumama sa inyo o vice versa, siya naman yun ang hikayat na sumama kayo sa grupo nila?
Well, pareho na I think minsan nagkapaling sila sana sumama doon pero ano na kumbaga na in the end nakapag-commit na rin kami. Siguro man we would gladly liaise or be conduits no para kung hindi pa sila ready to talk to each other siguro in some pero kung may mga request naman sila, committees, whatever, kung ano man ang pwede namin iparating, ito darating naman namin kay SP Cheese.
Kasi sinasabi niya, nag-iisa na ang hampas lupa na
Dead hungry.
Ayun, okay, Raymond.
Ano yun, joke namin yun eh.
So buhay pa yung inyong group chat daw, sir, di ba?
Boy naman, we active pa rin naman yun.
Wala na nagme-message daw, sir. Oo, wala na. Mukhang may bago ng group chat.
Wala pa naman.
Silang tatlo nila, Win, nila Joel. Anyway, Raymond.
Sir, isa doon sa mga mahabang parang kinasasama ng opuna ni Senator Mix kahapon na binanggit niya is tungkol sa distribution of funds and personnel. Number one doon sa funds, though walang elaboration, pero may mga ang pananalita niya is may mga napapaboran, may napag-iiwanan. Ganon din doon sa staff distribution daw. May isang senador na todo-todo ang ibinigay na slot. Yung iba ay very limited. So, hindi tingin niya ay ang term niya doon, primus inter pares naman, bakit may mas malaki, may mas maliit, may mas marami, at mas may kukonti. Sa experience, sir.
Well, that depends on the leadership. No? Call na leadership yan, kung yung sa manpower and others. Ang kay SP Cheese kasi nakikita ko talagang tinitignan niya rin who is working or who's not working. I would say that I am satisfied kasi ako personally na-appreciate ko, natutuwa ako kasi na-appreciate niya yung hard work, no? Na alam mo naman niya pag wala ang majority leader, ako yung papalit. Kung wala ang presiding officer, wala ang president pro tempore, ako rin pumapalit. And until ako wala akong angal, alam niya until late in the evening. And then he will text me in the evening. Pagtapos ng session, halimbawa inabot na yung 10, 11, sabi niya, salamat sabi niya, ang dami natin natapos. Sabi niya, congrats. So, siyempre nakakatuwa na na-appreciate yung effort mo. Diba? I think he bases it on yung performance o yung talagang contribution. He sees to it that those who are always on the floor who are working na talagang mabigyan ng extra. Tulad ko, yun nga, ayos niya na magkaroon na ng office talaga. Kasi kailangan naman talaga kasi tatlo lang yung leadership talaga ng Senate ngayon pero kailangan talaga ng isa pa no? Especially during budget season, hindi kakayanin na tatlo lang. Pag may nagkasakit, wala. Siyempre pag puyatan, may tinatapos. So, I think, Senator Escudero bases it on the contributions of each senator on the floor and to the institution.
Ang angal sa distribution, sir.
Ako satisfied kasi nga I think ako personally I can only talk about myself na appreciated yung efforts natin.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Sir, ano nakikita niyo yung dynamics dito sa Senate sakaling mag-decide ang grupo ng veterans bloc na mag-minority sila?
Well, that will be exciting kasi ang most of them won, alyansa po sila, no? And they are also aligned with administration. So against lang sila sa leadership ng Senate. So I think it will be healthy kung ano man ang, especially kung may mga priority measures ang administrasyon, ay palagi ko hindi naman siguro kung talagang maganda nga masala na talagang active, ay we would want an active minority. As I mentioned earlier, the best ideas and solutions are born out of intelligent debates. Mas maganda maging aktibo ang minority para nga po yung discussion maging fruitful and we can enhance, improve, and refine any measure that will be taken up on the floor.
Okay, Hannah and then Amor. Hannah, yung microphone.
Sir, kasi kahapon isa rin sa parang reklamo yata ni Senator Mix is yung tira-tira na lang yung slap soil, kumbaga tira-tirang committees na lang sa kanila. Sir, do you have any idea if major committees have already been farmed out to the Duterte bloc or some other, yung mga kasama sa majority? And if mangyayari ba yung katulad dun dati na sa isang senator, apat-apat agad ang committees na hinahawakan, ganun?
Siguro hindi. I don't think it will happen. No? As I mentioned, siguro titignan natin yung ano mas babagay. Ang pagkakaalam ko si Senator Joel kasi nag siya noon na kung ano yung pwedeng maibigay din kay Senator Zubiri at that time. I think may mga magagandang committee naman that were offered, no? Yung hindi ko maalala kung trade or ano ba yung economic affairs, no? Na bagay naman kay Senator Migs yan kasi gusto niya yung mga na mga gusto din niya, mga enterprises, business, no? So I think that was offered to him before. Kay Senator Loren naman, alam naman natin, sa culture and history, Loren Legarda yan di ba? So I think it was offered to her also kasi parang hindi na pwedeng ibigay na sa iba yun. Para ka na, pag nagsalta tayo, parang nakikinig sa dayo. Talagang kanya na yun. Di ba? So, it was offered naman na, I think in fairness to Senate President Escudero, I think he offered these committees that would fit them. Culture and history, tapos economic affairs or trade yata, if I'm not mistaken, were offered to Senator Zubiri.
So sir, yung hatian sa committee chairmanship, malaking factor ba yun sa naging decision ng maraming senador kung sino yung sinuportahan nila sa Senate Presidents? Usually, ganun, di ba?
Sure, well, reality, that plays a factor also, no? Pero, I would say na, siguro bagay-bagay, lang din yan. Of course, it will be considered, no? I have to be honest about it. Pero, the mere fact that meron ng majority, that means that they are all satisfied with what was
Sa leadership.
offered on the table.
Okay, Amor.
Sir, may we know kung kailan po kayo pumirma ng reso and sino po yung nagpapirma sa inyo?
Hindi ko alam, siguro mga during the break.
Break pa rin, sir.
Hindi ko pa rin. Siguro mga
1 week, 2 weeks ago?
Last month, this week.
Maybe a month. Siguro after the election. Yeah, after the election. Siguro last month or mga
Sino
last
ang
month.
nagpapirma po sa inyo, sir?
Dumating na lang sa table mo, sir.
Basta dumating na sa table. Parang yung brown envelope yun eh. Dumating na lang sa hearing.
And sir,
Kapatid ni Kim.
Buti nga, magkasama kami ngayon eh.
Sir, yun nga, siya ba yung nagpapirma sa inyo?
Ano na?
Siya ba yung nagpapirma sa'yo?
Hindi.
Oh, sino daw, sir, sabi ni Amor?
bawal sabihin, sir.
Ha?
Bawal pang sabihin.
Hindi, baka sabihin. Hindi ka na rin maalala.
Anyway,
Sir, and then yung reso po, yun ay, paano po ba, i-approve sa plenary sa July 28? yung reso na yun? Paano po?
So, I think once we open, lalabas yun kung wala namang